Choshiwado. We're here in Japan, bumbling it up in our touristy ways.
Are we going the wrong way?
Bumble-wise, we might be going the wrong way, says Holly.
Oh no.
Funny timing.
Oh, she was...
Yeah, check it out. And welcome back to whatever we name this series. And if there's a cool title card or animation, it'll probably go right here before we do more video stuff.
Okay.
Blah.
Bumbling Tourist proudly presents
Sushi, Shinkansen, Sakura, and Sake!
An exploration of friendship and misadventures in Japan crammed into a series of easily digestible vloggy vlogs for the whole family.
So, from Osaka Station, we took a local train on the Kyoto line. We were going to take a quick one, but then it just didn't appear. So we took a local train, which didn't take that long, maybe an hour.
Yeah. Which is something we've never seen in Japan. Other trains seem to be late, which happens occasionally, but they mark it to the minute to exactly like, oh, this one's only 3 minutes late, this one's 9 minutes late. But ours didn't have that, and then it just, when it was supposed to arrive, disappeared.
And the train never showed up.
Ghost train.
So we jumped on a local line to take it to Kyoto Station, and then from Kyoto we transferred to the Sagano line, which takes you to Saga-Arashiyama, and then that's where we are now. And we're waiting for bladder evacuations, and then adventure time. Stay.
Around that corner, some old lady whacked me in the face with her umbrella pretty hard.
Yeah, I had to go over there when I'm Hey guys!
Wow, this gives the illusion like it's not crowded. Look at this single shot of Holly walking in this bed. Living a lie.
You guys don't want to come up? The secret spot.
Yeah?
There's no one here, except there's like a trillion people down here.
I think that's the lie.
But this isn't a lie, this is pretty.
This is...
So let's get out of here before we
Yeah.
draw a crowd.
You're so tall and beautiful.
Yeah. I do have body, and limbs and arms.
You've got bodies, limbs, and arms.
Does sound adorable. Yeah. I just meant mine.
You're like a living selfie stick.
This is how you tourist, right here.
With a selfie stick?
Look at all that touristing.
Look how nice they are. Whoa.
Oh, very nice. Oh wait, oh yeah. Maybe I'll look with my eyes too.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Maybe look at your eyes.
raining cherry blossoms. One came so close to the camera just as I turned it on. That's so pretty. Smell really nice. Managed to ditch all of the tourists somehow. Like, just a 2-second walk from all the bamboo. And there's a pretty bridge down there. This would be the perfect spot for a little cheeky beer.
Cheeky sake.
A sake and a juice box.
I feel like the tour gates are always going to be much less expensive. Oh my gosh.
Don't burn yourself.
Really hot.
Yeah,
Good.
it's potato and bamboo. A little bamboo. For sashimi and Ari.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Nico.
Nico.
Tune in next time for even more of the stuff that we do. Bumbling Tourist time.
Yeah.
Subscribe and like and stuff. Peace out.